Hello guys, back to another section. My topic has been on the heart. A few days ago, the heart or the cardiovascular system. A few days ago, I posted or I did a video on my page describing the heart, and the topic is overview the anatomy of the heart. Please, I encourage you to go to my page to watch that video, because this is the continuation of that video. If you understand that one, if you watch that video, it will give you a better understanding on this particular topic. Okay, so on that particular one, I talked about the definition of the heart, the position, the size as the owner's closed fist, the position, the weight for men and the weight for women, the length, and then the last part of the video I made mention that the heart is divided into the left and the right side by a septum. Okay, so it is not that we have two hearts. No, it is just one heart. Every one of us has. Okay, it's the lungs that we have, the left lungs and the right lung, but the heart is just one. And this heart, okay, is divided. The interior of the heart is divided into the left and the right side for the purpose of blood flow, for oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood. That is why it is divided into two, for ease of blood circulation. Okay, so that is why I said the interior of the heart is divided into two, the left and the right, by a septum. So I encourage you, go back to my page, watch that video on the overview of the anatomy of the heart. Okay, you will get that video on my page. This is a continuation. You know, the heart is a very vital organ that pumps blood throughout the body, supplying nutrient and oxygen to tissues and organs. So as a vital organ, understanding its dynamics will help us to appreciate it better. That is why I'm taking my time to do this video on the anatomy and physiology of the heart. So please watch the video on my page for better understanding. Alright, so our topic today is going to be on the chambers of the heart, and the chambers of the heart and the valves of the heart. Valves, V-A-L-V-E-S. Okay, so these structures, the chambers and the valves of the heart, is what helps efficient blood flow in our system. So we're going to be talking about the chambers of the heart. We have 4 chambers in our heart. Everyone has 4 chambers in our heart, and the first chamber is the right atrium. You can see it there. See on this diagram, the right atrium, it is labeled A on the diagram. So I put up the label up there so that you know where it is located. So the first chambers of the heart is the right atrium. You can see the label A. The second one is the right ventricle, label B, and the third one is the left atrium, label C, and D is the left